Hi mga palangging! Today is the day na may bawaan amo ang gender sa amo ang baby, and at the same time kay sa tawag ano ba? Celebration sa late celebration, birthday celebration sa late birthday celebration sa twins. So ako ang bana is na twin sister, so birthday nila tong April 30. And birthday po nilo siya, akong pamangkin na tong April 30. Then pagka May 1 gahapon is nag-echo me, and then naibawaan ang gender sa bata, pero ako kay Bao. So ako sister-in-law rin na kay Balos. So are you team girl or team boy? Exciting! See you there!
We're here to find out the gender of Terry and Champ's baby. Mommy, what do you think it is?
Boy!
Boy. And Daddy, what do you think? Boy. Okay, so in a few seconds, we're gonna find out if they have it right.
Ready?
Ready? Boy.